So we're going to test out that theorem, that conjecture with these two problems. So what's the value of x? Well, x is an exterior angle. These are the two opposite interior angles. So if you add these together, it tells you that x equals 77 degrees. What's the measure of angle N? Well, this time they gave me my exterior angle and they only gave me one of my opposite interior. So if I write the equation, I know that 124 equals 68 plus N. Exterior equals sum of interior. So to get the N by itself, I'm just going to go ahead and subtract the 68 here on both sides, and I get 56 degrees. So that's it. You're going to try some practice problems, and then you'll take your exit ticket.